How to download and install Microsoft Office. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download and install Microsoft Office. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. You can open Microsoft Edge and then head over to config.office.com. Then scroll down a bit and find the option of create a new configuration. Click on the create option. Now select your preferred architecture. After that, in the Office Suites drop down, select Office program for Microsoft official site. Then for apps, you can simply select the apps you want. I have selected Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Now for language, you want to select your preferred language. I have selected English. Then you want to click on the export option. Now select Office Open XML formats and click OK. Now select I accept the terms and conditions. After that, you want to click on the export option. Now you want to open the folder where you have downloaded this. Next, you want to open up a new tab and then search Office Deployment Tools. Now click on this first website. Now click on the download option. Now open File Explorer, locate the folder and click on that. Now open the File Explorer and double click on the file that you have downloaded. Here click on Yes. Then check the box that says click here to accept license terms, then click continue. After that, you want to select the folder where you want to extract that. Now you want to create a new folder and name that Office. After that, you want to copy the configuration file and paste it inside this new folder. After that, you want to click on the search bar. Now search command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. Here you want to type cd. Now open the file explorer, copy this file location and paste it, then press enter. Here you want to type in setup.exe /configure configuration.xml, then press enter. Now Microsoft 365 and Office will start downloading and running, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.